Remind me not to listen to your suggestions anymore. What's up, everyone? It's Mark. I know I've been kind of rapid fire this past week with videos, but I guess that's what you do when you're quarantined. Going on God knows what day it is at this point. Anyway, last video I did, I reviewed the Air Cable Kit 2, which has quickly become my favorite bag. But as soon as I posted it, there was a comment recommending this, which is the Peak Designs tech pouch. So of course, I watched the video on it, I looked at the specs, and I immediately went to order one. It just came today. I haven't even really gone through this thing yet. Basically just gonna take everything out of what's in my Air cable kit and see how it fits in here and what the spacing's like. So check it out. Okay, so I just got this Peak Designs tech pouch in the mail today. I ordered it off of Amazon the other day after it was recommended in one of the videos after I did the review of the Air Cable Kit 2. The Cable Kit 2 has become, you know, probably my favorite tech organization pouch. The materials, the look and feel, the organization, I just love this. It's amazing. You know, after this was recommended, I watched one of the videos, I went on the website. I quickly was interested and ordered one, and it just came today. So you can see size-wise, the Peak Design is slightly longer than the Air, probably just by about half an inch or so. Width-wise, they're, you know, they're similar. I'd say maybe the Peak Design is a little thicker. Nothing too crazy. I mean, they're very, very close in size. Here's a Mavic Air case for comparison. You know, Peak Design is still smaller than that. You know, they're all pretty much the same width. Basically what I wanted to do was take everything that I had in here and put it in here. So that's basically what I just did over the last few minutes, and I recorded an entire video doing that, but for some reason I forgot to actually hit record. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this and show you what's in here. So one of the things I immediately love about the Peak Designs is that it stays open as soon as you open it up. You don't have to hold it open. And the way the pockets are set up, you can see everything at a glance with it wide open. Whereas with the Air, as much as I love it in the organization, there's this section, and then you got to go to the other side where you have this section, and you can't stand it up, you can't keep it all open, you can't see everything at once. This, I can see literally everything I have in here at one time. So I loaded this up with literally everything that was in the Air, and I put it in here just to see how it compares. And, you know, space-wise, they're very, very similar. It's just the organization and the layout are a lot different. This, I put in the action camera, so I have Osmo Pocket. I have an Osmo Action. There's ND filters. There's battery packs. There's all my cables, batteries for that Action. There's a 1 terabyte thumb drive or hard drive, my space pen, all of the mounts and various for the Osmo Pocket. I have in the center pocket all of these different dongles, adapters, card readers, things like that. I have small battery pack, some more adapters, power adapters, and I think that's everything I have. I have like a little ND filter wrapped up in a cloth. But that's pretty, oh, another adapter. But that's pretty much it right now that I had in the Air, but everything fit in here with no problem. You know, the waterproof zippers are a nice touch on this bag. I really like, you know, that added level of protection against the elements. You know, there's these 2 hooks on the back where you can take one of the Peak Designs camera straps and attach it here and have this as like a mini, very mini day bag, but you know, or a sling, I should say. It's not really my thing, but you know, whatever works. They have that option. There's these 2 handles on either side, so you can grip it and open it and have it all ready to go one-handed. But you know, the materials are very nice. Look and feel is nice. The zippers are definitely a little stiff. I'm wondering if that's just new or because they're waterproofed, but you know, it fits all of the stuff that I had in my Air. But that being said, you know, as great as this is, I'm really more of a fan of the Air just because of the look and feel, the materials. I really like the way this is like this non-stick on the outside. The Kedora just feels a lot more sturdier than the Peak Designs. I mean, this is like really heavy duty material on the outside here. It's this ballistic Kedora fabric that's just, I mean, this is really tough. You know, again, this is great. This feels nice. I'm definitely going to use both of these just for different purposes. I think for longer trips, I would have more of my, not every day, I would have more of this being my everyday grab and go with the stuff I use more often. Basically, everything that's in front of you, I'm going to have in my Air. And I'm sure the OCD people are probably going nuts because I just dumped everything in a pile and didn't do one of those cool organization EDC dumps or whatever the hell they're called. But this will definitely be coming more as a long-term travel. Probably put like more of my more heavy-duty Osmo mounts, mobile tripods, dead cats for microphones. That's the other thing I keep in here is the Rode Video Micro, which I'm actually using right now to record this, so I can't show it. And I have a lot of other different mounts. There's a handlebar mount that I'm actually using on the camera right now to take this that I would probably keep in there as well. You know, it's a great pouch, great features, great organization. The fact that you can see everything at once and it keeps itself open is a huge plus. It's definitely highly recommended. You know, you can't go wrong with either one of these two. My personal preference is just the Air. This is amazing as well. I think this one's 50 bucks. This one's 60, so slightly more. You know, you're getting what you pay for. They're both super high quality, great materials, and extremely sturdy. So that's about all I got for you. Hope you enjoy. Hit me up with any questions. And for the love of God, don't recommend me getting any more bags. See ya.